That guy said 15 miles in and we'll start seeing stuff.
We'll start seeing stuff.
We made it just in time to enter into the Petrified Forest National Park. And we've been driving around, I think it's like, I don't know, between 20 to 50 miles of a long stretch of road. And the guy told us about 15 miles in we'd be able to start seeing stuff. We did see some sort of like deer, antelope thing, but we haven't seen any petrified wood yet. Okay, let's see. 225 million years ago, this was a tropical landscape with abundant vegetation, ferns, horsetails, and cicadas. As the illustration in the right shows, oh, here you go. Early dinosaurs and reptiles roamed. Fish, clams, snails, and crawfish moved through rivers, and giant 180-foot conifers reached to the skies. Over the past 200 million years, continents moved, regions uplifted, climate changed, and the river system, along with its plants and animals, was buried by layers of sediment. Wind and water have continually molded, sculpted, and peeled back these layers, giving us a glimpse of the once tropical land we know today as Arizona. This is what we see now. I think that if there is anything that I am learning on this trip, it's that you just need to appreciate what you have when you have it. Even the small things. I don't know, like a gust of wind or a pretty view, because it's not gonna last long. Oh my God, it's hailing. We're in the Rocky Mountains right now, and thunder and lightning and hail. It's just, oh my God. We are in Bear Lake Road in the Rocky Mountains, and we're gonna go to Bear Lake Trailhead and do some hiking. So kind of glad that the hail stopped, but it was really cool while it lasted. We entered at the Beaver Meadows entrance station, and yesterday we went down Bear Lake Road, which is this path here, and we were able to go and hike and see Nymph Lake and Dream Lake and see the mountains in this area. Today we entered through Beaver Meadows as well, but we ended up taking Trail Ridge Road and seeing Beaver Ponds, Rainbow Curve, Hidden Valley, and then we went all the way up to Alpine Visitors Center. And we saw the Gorge Range and the lava cliffs. This area is the most beautiful I have seen of the Rocky Mountains yet.